Okay, so dear student, as you know that from 1st March your practical exam is going to be started. Okay, and on 1st March the first group science practical is there. You are odd or even? Odd. So odd group will come on Monday. Your Monday day is there. It means that your practical is there on Monday. And which group is even? Their practical will be on the next Tuesday. Okay. How the practical will be there, that I am going to tell you. First thing, the practical is divided into two parts. Okay. Accordingly, I am telling you. Just let's start from the science exam. Science exam is of 100 marks, in which theory will come 60 marks and practical will come of 40 marks. It is not practical of 40 marks, practical is 25 marks. 15 marks is there of internal assessment, and this internal assessment is all on the hand of every subject teacher. Okay, those subject teacher will give you 15 marks by keeping your attendance, your behavior, your test marks, your daily report, by keeping this thing in your mind. So we are not thinking about these 15 for the timing. Okay, let it be, the subject teacher will give accordingly. We will think about this and this. In theory, you need to score 20 marks out of 60 to get passed in theory. And then practical, which is very important, it will be, you have to score 8 marks out of 25 to get passing marks. If I will tell about practical, these three things you need to do. One is practical notebook. You must prepare your practical notebook properly. Do you have practical notebook?
Yes, sir.
Give me one practical notebook. Okay, suppose this is your practical notebook. In this practical notebook, it is the first page. Okay, first the brown color cover you will put everybody, and now then you will take out this. Now how you will make? This is your practical notebook. Okay, and here first page here. You will bring one small sheet. You will like this page. You will paste. There you will write science, like this, science. Okay, and here you will write your roll number, like 901. You know very well 901, 2, 3, 4 is following. 901 to like 9th blue section. Who is 9th blue section? You are 9th blue section 1, 901 to 900 whatever. Your is 951 too. You are blue, so you are 901. They will start 951. Okay. So suppose what is the your number? 35. You will write 935. 939. Accordingly, whatever your roll number, you will write 9 into that. Those green section, they have to start like green section 1 roll number will write here 951 according to 52, 53, 54. Like last year you have used 851, 852. Here you will write then this science 901. Here you will write here leave then. Okay, this much you have to make here in this. What my point?
Yes, sir.
Same thing you will write here in this portion, like this way. Science 900. Sometimes we are keeping notebook like this way, so we can see whose notebook is this. Okay. First, here also you can see a board. It is written here board roll number. Clear? Here also you will write same roll number 901, 902. Here you will fill your detail, name, subject, school, year, roll number, address, phone number. This you will complete this format. Then after this, here is index. This index is what? Whatever practical you are writing here, suppose you have written this practical first. This is your first practical. To separate two immiscible liquid with the help of a separating funnel. So it means that here you will write serial number 1, date, okay, and here you will write the subject of experiment. Now dear student, this is the practical of science. This is the practical of chemistry, first practical. And you might remember that when your online class was there, that time I sent one online practical video where I have shown you how to separate two miscible liquid. I will remember or not? If you don't remember, you must watch that video again. Today again I will share, no problem, in the group. You watch that video how our sir has follow those procedure. At first what is there, then what is there, after that what is there. Okay, on the day of practical I can ask you, okay, perform that practical. Okay, suppose now when performance will come, this is practical, and on the day of exam, this is second step, this is on Monday as we said, there you need to first written exam is there. There will be first written exam. How many practical you have written?
5.
5. Out of 5 you have to write any 3. Out of 5 you have to write any 3 exam. Okay, and in those 3 written you will write apparatus required, second theory, third procedure, fourth precaution. These 4 things you will write. Here see, apparatus required is written or not here? Material required. Material required, you need to learn actually. What material be required? Separating funnel be required, beaker be required, iron stand be required, mixture of 2 immiscible liquid be required. Clear? After this theory, this portion you will learn. It is like similar like question answer you will learn. This procedure you will learn step by step. And in the last precaution you will learn. Okay? You will get 7 marks for one question. 7 marks. In this way, how many questions I said?
3.
Let it be first question you did. This to separate miscible liquid. Clear?
Any three by our choice.
5 question will come. You will write any 3 of your choice. It means that you need to learn any 3. Okay? Answer sheet will provide to you. First you will come to classroom. Exact 9:30 we will come to classroom. 10 o'clock we will start your written test. It will be written. 11 o'clock you will come group wise to the lab. 10 students will be sent to the chemistry. 10 students will be sent to the physics. 10 students will go to the bio from one section. Okay. And those who are in chemistry, they will perform chemistry practical. Those who are in physics, they will perform physics, and those who are in bio, they will perform bio. Okay. When you will go there, you will show your practical notebook first to the teacher. Practical notebook should be duly checked and signed. Okay. Then after that, one chart you have to make. Chart. This can be of any color, but prefer white color.
Big chart.
One chart. Big chart, full chart. It is not like that you will do hard. This is exam, full chart. In that full chart, you can make any topic from related to chemistry, physics or bio. You can make human ear. This is given in chapter sound. You can make human cell, which is given in chapter 5. You can make any tissue.
Plant cell, animal.
You can make plant cell, animal cell. You can make neuron. You can make chemistry, any physics topic. You can take atomic symbol. You can take chemical formulas. Okay. Why? Then that chart, related to that chart, Viva question will come. What is Viva question now? It is oral test. Okay, one by one you will go to the subject teacher. Subject teacher will check your notebook and chart. The moment they will check chart, they will ask you question related to that chart. How much knowledge you have about the chart. Okay, accordingly you will get marks. So here, for practical notebook, to make practical notebook 2 marks. 2 marks is there for, but it is compulsory to submit a practical notebook. Only then the next procedure will go. Here I told you 3 questions you need to do. Multiply by 7. How many marks? 21 plus 2. 23. Okay. 2 marks of this. 24, 25. In this way, these 25 marks as distributed. Is it clear? Clear? Now come to the performance. On the day of exam, first is written exam. Second is practical exam. This board is not that much good, but right. Second is practical exam. Now practical exam is what? Suppose that group is in chemistry. I will take you in the lab and I will tell you this is my practical, like you have to perform this practical. Now here all those 20 students means 10 here, 10 there. 20 students together. These 20 students will be divided into 4 groups. In each group how many students are there? But one practical will be performed by all 5 students together. Okay? Performance will be done by in group. Clear? But that we will see situationally. But theory, these things, most important is this thing. You need to learn this. Okay? This is all about the practical. Is there any doubt now?
No, sir.
How your practical is going to be on 2nd of March? You know, 1st of March. Sorry.
Yes, yes.
So in written exam, you have to make diagram also.
Yes, you can draw. You have to draw. You can draw, but marks will be given on the basis of these four. These 4 things should be given.
Diagram not.
Diagram you can draw, but diagram it is not a part of that written paper.
Only we have to write this one.
You have to write only this one. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?